Finally, the delivery for my beauty room has just arrived. So everything that I got is from Homary, and they do such nice stuff. Look at this sofa. Oh my god, the color is so nice. It's like a white kind of creamy color, and this is actually a sofa bed. Okay guys, so here is the first addition to my beauty room. I finally have a sofa in my beauty room. I have always wanted somewhere just to like chill out, but you know when you don't want to go to bed, you know when you just want to chill out in your own room, and I feel like my beauty room is like my oasis. So this is like so nice. When people stay over, I feel like people like having their own ensuite, so I thought it was really important for me to get a sofa that can convert into a bed. Like this. Ooh! I'm getting pink custom made little cushions, but this bed actually comes with cushions. Like, how does it come with a cushion? And it also comes with a little fluffy white cushion as well. Okay, so to turn this into a sofa bed, you just unzip it here, and there's a little leg that literally pops out and it locks into place, and there's one on both sides. And then when you want to turn it back into a sofa, you literally just push in that pin there and then zip this up, and no one would know a thing. So I'll probably say this is the size of like a twin size bed. This little bench over here, which is so freaking cute. This is actually the newest addition to the room. It's so nice to just have somewhere to just sit, and I just literally get ready here. I take selfies here. It's so nice to like just stare outside. There's always birds out here, so I literally just stare at this all the time. From Homary. A lot of my furniture is actually from Homary. Speaking of Homary, I'm going to show you guys this amazing sofa bed. Yes, it's a sofa bed, and something that I really like about this is that it doesn't look like a sofa bed, because some sofa beds look like sofa beds, you know, but this one looks like a really nice comfy sofa. If you guys are looking for amazing furniture, Homary is where it's at. They had so much choice. It's really nice when I have guests around here. They actually sleep in this room, and it's nice because this room has an ensuite, so they're kind of like in their own little hotel suite. Feather lamp. It actually matches my little top today, which is from Fashion Nova. So this is also from Homary as well. So pretty. It's actually a lamp, but it's currently not plugged in, so I just wanted it for the looks. But it is really, really pretty. Gives a nice little ambiance. Gives a little flash of pink in there. Got my little orchid. Whenever I see orchids, it always reminds me of my mum, because this is her favourite plant, but I know she's gonna die on me eventually. This table right here, how cute is it? It's like a small little console table, I guess, but this is also from Homary as well. I actually have a discount code for you guys actually that I'll leave it down below in the description box, so if you're interested in anything from Homary, I'll leave all the links down below. On this other side we have another feather lamp, which is so pretty. This is the white version, which is so nice. We also have this really cute gold and white tabletop here. Literally looks so expensive as well. Such nice quality.